This morning, came to school. Mr. Defter said, "You, here!" Chill, man, chill. What do you want? He says, "The hand." I went, "Yeah." He says, "Too much bling. Put the glove on." I'm edgy. I feel edgy. It can take away my bling, but it can't take away the anger and edginess and frustration inside, which will only come out in a rap. Oh yes, now to do this rap, I need my girls. These girls, these are the red ones. I'm the dance master.
Come on, Dowie. 1, 2, 3, 4. He's a rapper, he's a rapper. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, I was walking home one Saturday night. My eyes were skinned, just looking for a fight. I saw her there in a polka dot skirt, silver shoes and polyester shirt.
1, 2, 3, 4. He's a rapper, he's a rapper. 1, 2, 3, 4. He's a rapper, he's a rapper.
Without a second glance, I knew she was for me. I grabbed her by the arm and tied her to a tree. I kept my distance. I guess I was shy, then I moved a little closer and got in her eye. The moral of the story is plain for all. Never date a pretty lady who's 3 foot tall. She'll make you sad, she'll make you glum, especially if her face is like your mother's bum.
He's a rapper, he's a rapper. Say the rap, they'll get you sacked. Say the rap, they'll get you sacked.
Mr. Williams is a funny un, he's got a nose like a pickled onion. Tomato with cauliflower ears.